Welcome to the video 12 of our Adobe Premiere Pro classes. Today we are completely dealing with the program monitor. In the previous video we talked about the source monitor. Let's check with the program monitor. If in case you are having a confusion or like thinking about what is the difference between the source monitor and the program monitor in Premiere Pro, I'll tell you in a simple words. Of course, I explained it in the previous videos. If in case you didn't remember, I know it. I'll explain you in short sentence. The source monitor is for preparing clips, but the program monitor is where you actually see your edit come to life. In simple words, program monitor shows you the final edited version of whatever things are there in the timeline. That is the exact video when you export it and people watches it. Today I'll show you how to use the program monitor and its playback controls in depth to get full control of your timeline. If in case you are unable to see the program monitor or maybe you accidentally clicked this undock panel, go to Windows. From here you enable the program monitor. Of course, I explained you in the previous videos that this is program monitor, this is source, and this entire thing is called timeline. Okay, let's come back to the program monitor. As you can see, we are having a different options and controls here. Don't worry, these options are not confusing. It's very easy to use this. First thing, we start with the basic playback controls. This is called play or pause. You can use the space bar on your system. Next is step forward one frame or step backward one frame. You can use the shortcut keys like the left and arrow keys on your keyboard to move frame by frame. As you can see, I'm pressing the left key on my keyboard. It is showing frame by frame. If you observe here, the playhead is here, but some part is highlighting. What does it mean? It's nothing but I created the in and out points for a particular video, where if I want, I export only that particular part in this overall timeline. Since I'm running multiple channels related to technology in different languages, I dub my own videos and I make this in and out points and export the video. This option I told you, this export frame, and these two also I explained you. If you click on the plus icon here, you will see some more options. I'll tell you some of the important options I use most of the time. One is this loop playback. After setting the in and out points, if you enable this option, the video will start playing around and around within in and out points. Next is this export frame. I told you I use this for exporting a particular frame to create thumbnails. This is comparison view. This I don't use most of the time until unless I'm working for any other projects where one shot I recorded in indoor conditions and another in outdoor conditions. I'll explain it about this comparison view in the color grading section. You will understand much better. These three options I use a lot: rulers, guides, and safe margins. If I press these safe margins, as you can see, a white color rectangle blocks are showing here. If you keep your text and other things inside this rectangle boxes, whatever the transitions and the text effects you are using, it's in safe position. If in case you place below these lines, yes, it is showing in the video, but it depends on the type of device you are watching. Next is this rulers. You actually seen the match cuts on YouTube where these rulers will help you. For example, if I want to keep my entire mobile frame in this section even after zooming, let's say I want this section to be here itself even after zooming in. Let's quickly do that. Go to the effects control and let's make it as 150. Now I move it down and keep it as it is. Perfect. If you see here, oh, it's too much. Okay, if you see now, this is actually useful if you're focusing on single or the object in the video. I'll give you some examples in the coming sessions how the match cut works and how to edit with the different images and different things. So these options I use a lot. And one more thing is this playback resolution. You can keep it full or half or 1/4, 1/8. 1/16 is not showing since it is a 4K video. If in case you are editing like more than 4K, this option will also show. Just we are scaling down the resolution if in case you are adding a lot of layers above to this clip. So due to the lot of effects and transitions, the computer may not able to handle at full resolution. So if you decrease that resolution, it helps in smooth playback. And that's a complete overview of the program monitor and playback controls. Once you understand this, editing feels a lot smoother because you will know exactly how your final video looks as you work. In the next video, we will explore the timeline panel and how to use it effectively. Hey, if you're struggling to start a YouTube channel or already started a YouTube channel but not seeing any results and still your channel is not monetized, don't worry, I'm also in that place with some strategies and learning some of the things. I'm able to convert my non-monetization channels into monetization and also earning a good piece of amount as a side income. If you want to join my one-on-one coaching and mentorship program, you can fill out the Google form link in the description box as well as in the comment section. I'll get back to you as soon as possible.